Hello and welcome to the 8th video in our series on reading skills. Following on from the last video where we looked at reading the beginning of news articles, in this video we're going to look at another social media technology, and that is Twitter. And so this video is how to search tweets. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Twitter. Either you can download it as an app on your phone, or you can go to the main website, twitter.com. Once you log into Twitter, you'll find a screen like this. On your screen, you'll see I put a little yellow bird, and in the search box, you can search for keywords. Keywords are the thing that will help you find information easily. So the first thing that I did was to type 3 words into the search box in Twitter, and those words were rural, Japan, and depopulation. Those are the keywords that I thought were in the textbook, and I thought they were important. Hopefully, after you put 2 or 3 keywords into the search box, you should get some results. This time I did. I got quite a few results from Twitter. People have been tweeting news articles about the topic that I was interested in, and that was Japan's marginal communities, or ghost towns. As you can see on this screen, I have an article from the Japan Times, and it looks like it might have useful information, so I can go ahead and click on the article and read it. Another feature of Twitter is the advanced search button. You can find this, you can see on the screen the big blue arrow that I've put to highlight the advanced search function. This function will allow you to search in more detail. If the first time you search you don't find really anything useful or anything at all, then you can try the advanced search, and I'll show you next what that does. The advanced search gives you even more options to search through millions of tweets to find information. You can search by typing in keywords, different keywords. You could type a whole phrase. You can use what are called hashtags. You can search for specific languages. If you don't want any Japanese results and only English, you can tell Twitter to search only English tweets. And of course, you can also search by date. If you don't want to search from the beginning of Twitter, you can tell Twitter to search, for example, in 2019 only. If you are looking for up-to-date or modern information, this is a good idea. This time, I just changed some of the keywords, and I searched again using the keywords Japan, rural, and shrinking. Shrinking is another word that I found while I was preparing for the discussion class. By changing keywords, you might find something interesting. This time, by changing the keywords and searching on Twitter, I found another article about a cat. This seems a really interesting article because it's unusual. So I thought I might read this in more detail. So as you can see, my first search brought one news article, but changing the search terms or the keywords, I found something even more interesting. If you don't have much time to look for information, Twitter is a really useful way to find good ideas to bring into the discussion class. So that's all for this video. You can now go to Monologue and find assignment 8 and answer the questions there. As next class is the second assessment, these questions this week are mostly focused on the textbook. However, you might consider using Twitter or the news articles that were discussed in the last video. If you do so, and you do use Twitter to find something interesting to bring to class, please do let me know. I'm always interested to hear what you are doing. Good luck!